A European sailing series that attracts the best in the sport. It requires teamwork, strategy and a cool head. It's sport, but it's also entertainment. And it's revolutionising the world of Grand Prix sailing. Top international skippers and crews will compete in the 2010 Extreme Sailing Series Europe. All racing one of the world's fastest inshore sailboats, an Extreme 40 multi-hull, capable of speeds in excess of 50 kilometres an hour. On racetracks that are within touching distance of the shore and the crowds. At every event, up to 18 short, intense races are held, around 15 minutes each. The pace, that's exhilarating. The drama, at times, heart-stopping. Mistakes get punished hard. Every race result counts at every venue. And the racing takes place at some of the most spectacular locations in Europe. These machines have played centre stage, from the heart of Venice to the Spanish coastal resort of Almeria. Thousands and thousands come to watch the action and enjoy the party atmosphere in the race village, day and night. Expect to see the very best in the sport of sailing compete in the 2010 Extreme Sailing Series Europe. From Olympic medalists to world champions, round-the-world racing stars to major players from the world of the America's Cup, all competing to win the 2010 Extreme Sailing Series Europe.